This is the human brain, and this is how the human brain actually looks like. The human brain is mass-like structure, and you can say the gelatinous substance. We can't hold a brain in our hand. If we hold a brain in our hand, it is very gelatinous substance, so it will get slip from the hand. You can see. And this is how the brain breathes. You can see in this video. This is how the brain breathes. We have to fix this brain for few weeks. After that, this brain will get rubbery. So we can hold that brain. The rubber-like structure of the brain we can hold. This is how. Because this is rubber-like structure of the brain. And this is a fresh structure. This is a fresh structure. That is why it is a jelly-like substance. So it will get slip from the hand. We can't hold in our hand. That is why we have to put on the table. For few weeks we have to put on hold. After that, the brain will get the rubbery-like structure, so we can hold it. And we can use for the research and other scientific studies. This is our human brain. This is how the human brain looks like. The structure of the human brain as shown in the video. But do you know our brain needs oxygen? I think everyone knows this. But do you know our brain needs fat also? If you know this, please comment me in the comment section. Our brain needs fat, but the healthy fat. Our brain is made up of fat. And the healthy fat that we are taking from the food. Like the fatty fish, nuts and seeds, to build and maintain its structure, not just for the energy. Our brain needs oxygen also, a constant supply of oxygen. Without oxygen, brain neurons will die quickly without oxygen. Fat build brain cells, while oxygen fuels their activity. You need a continuous supply of both for a healthy and a functioning brain. Neurons need a constant flow of the oxygen to generate the energy that we call as ATP. The ATP is needed for the communication. Brain cell began to die within a minute without it. So you can consider the brain is the fattiest organ. Oxygen powers your brain activity, while fat provides the vital material to build and maintain a structure and communication system. Your brain is extremely sensitive to oxygen. Damage can start within 3 to 4 minutes. Cell death increases rapidly, leading to a permanent damage or permanent injury or death after 4 to 6 minutes without oxygen. Our brain is extremely sensitive to oxygen. Every minute is important while delivering the oxygen. Because our brain is extremely sensitive to oxygen, damage can start within 3 to 4 minutes. And cell can damage or cell can die, increase rapidly or permanent injury or death after about 4 to 6 minutes without oxygen. If a person is losing the consciousness, is lost within 15 seconds and the survival becomes nearly impossible after 10 to 15 minutes. Immediate action like the CPR is crucial to restore the oxygen flow and prevent the secure neurological consequence. If our brain is not getting oxygen, I'll tell you upon minute or the seconds. Within 15 seconds, the loss of the consciousness will be there. If the brain is not getting oxygen. Within 3 to 4 minutes, brain damage begins. Neurons start to die. 5 minutes, widespread cell death becomes likely and death is imminent. Within 10 minutes, severe lasting brain damage like the coma, cognitive issue is almost certain, with a survival very rare, and beyond 10 to 15 minutes, survival becomes nearly impossible. So this much, the oxygen is important for the brain survival, for the brain functioning. I hope you understand.